Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how you can get a youthful, tight, firm, glowing skin like that of a celebrity without any expensive creams or treatments. So just by using a few basic ingredients from your pantry, you can achieve gorgeous skin. So let's get started. I'm going to share with you two magical steps. So first thing that you need is one small carrot and half cucumber. So first peel and then chop cucumber and carrot. Cucumber has vitamin C and caffeine acid that help fight spots, firm sagging skin, and the cooling and hydrating properties give skin a refreshing boost and brightens complexion. Carrot, it contains vitamin C that reduces the appearance of brown spots and other types of sun damage. A vital component called beta-carotene locks moisture in the skin and promotes the renewal of new skin cells. So place the chopped cucumber and carrot into the mixer and grind until smooth. Strain the fresh juice into a bowl and keep aside. So first we'll prepare the scrub, that is your step 1. So take the leftover juice pulp, add half teaspoon of coffee powder. Make sure to use granulated coffee powder and then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well and keep aside. Now we'll prepare the facial mist, that is your step 2. So pour the fresh vegetable juice into a spray bottle. Add little rose water. Then add around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and around 9 to 10 drops of glycerin. Shake well. Now I'll show you how to use and what time you should follow to get best results. So step 1, you use the gentle skin purifying brightening moisturizing scrub. So lightly wet your face and then apply a generous amount of the scrub. Using your fingertips, gently massage for 2 minutes and then rinse off with water. This removes dead skin cells, nourishes, softens and firms skin. Now step 2 is your face mist. So spray this all over your face and also your neck. This fights dryness, dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, revitalizes and brightens your skin, giving your skin an instant boost of hydration and glow. After using this face mist, seal it with your favorite moisturizer or facial oil. You will notice within a few weeks your skin will look so young and radiant. This routine will help you achieve a silky, smooth, bright, beautiful skin texture in a natural way. Friends, especially try the face mist regularly to see great improvements in your skin. So give it a try and share your results with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more such amazing beauty tips, subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye-bye.